If you are a coach or a process consultant or a facilitator, you possibly know the situation that you have to design a flip chart or a work template for groups right on the spot, spontaneously. So what do you do to get some inspiration? Of course, you can take our bikablo posters, visual dictionary, but now it's also possible to just take out your mobile phone or your tablet and find the right template for your work. That's why we designed the bikablo online collections. And let's have a short look through the bikablo posters online collection. You can get it in the bundle with the others or as a standalone product. And like the book, it's in German and in English. So we have this first chapter or section, which is a short introduction to flip chart visualization. So you get some advice and some inspiration on how to enhance your flip chart writing, your lettering, how to use your tools, how to use the colors, and also how to design your posters. Now, something special about the online collections is, just like in this one, that you have some videos to show you how to design a poster stroke by stroke. For example, this one, which is for a retrospective. So in this video you learn how to draw these posters and how to set the space and how to design your poster in a proper way. So I think this helps a lot, and it was a feature which was much required by the community. Also, if you look for something specific, like a certain topic or a certain situation and a certain situation that you would like to use, you can just tip on the keywords and you go directly to the page where you find the images that you're looking for.